Hi, so what we're going to do in this video is learn how to do integration by substitution. What integration by substitution allows us to do is change the variables of the function we are integrating in order to simplify it. We can think of this as the reverse of the chain rule. Okay, so just to prove my point, we'll differentiate something with the chain rule and then straight away we will integrate it by substitution to show you how they are the reverse processes of each other. So dy by dx will equal 7 times 2x to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 6 times by the derivative of what's inside the brackets. Okay, and then we can differentiate that. And we get 10x to the power 4 then 7 times 10x to the power 4 is 70x to the power 4, 2x to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 6. So that was just a standard chain rule example. Now, what if I'd asked you to integrate 70x to the power 4 times by 2x to the power 5 plus 6 all to the power 6? Well, I know that the answer is going to be this. However, it's how we would do that without having to go through this method. Okay? So, what we're going to do is recognize that integration by substitution works when one of the functions differentiates to give something very similar to the other function. Okay, so what we're going to do is let u, just a variable, equal 2x to the power 5 plus 6, because I can see that if I differentiate that function, it's going to be very, very close to this function outside the 70x to the power 4. So we then do du by dx, we differentiate it, and we're going to get 10x to the power 4. So du would equal 10x to the power 4 dx, because I brought the dx up. 10x to the power 4 is not exactly what we've got here, so I need to multiply it by 7. So we get 7 times du will equal 70x to the power 4 dx. And now, hopefully what you can see is I have got a term to replace everything inside this original function. So we get u equals 2x plus 6, and we've got 7 times du would equal 70x to the power 4 dx. So that whole function will become 70x to the power 4 times dx, which is 7 du. And then we've got 2x to the power 5 plus 6, which we now know is u to the power 6. And now that's a much easier to integrate function. So we just do 7u to the power 7 all over 7 plus c, which is u to the power 7 plus c. And the last thing we can do is replace the u with the 2x to the power 5 plus 6. Plus c, which is what we started off with. Okay, so that means we've done it right, but the only difference is we've got the constant of integration. So let's do two more. So in this first one, integral of 2x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1 all square rooted. So what you can hopefully see is that x squared plus x plus 1 differentiates to be very similar to 2x plus 1. So if let u equal x squared plus x plus 1, first step would be to differentiate that. So du by dx would equal 2x plus 1. So du would equal 2x plus 1 dx. So we've got 2x plus 1 dx, and we've got x squared plus x plus 1. So everything has been taken into consideration. So we get the integral of du times u square rooted, which I'll just change to u to the half, because now I can just do u to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c equals 2/3 u to the 3 over 2 plus c, and I'll replace the u with x squared plus x plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 plus c, like that. So let's do another one. Let u equal 1 plus 6x minus x squared because we can see that that's going to roughly, it's going to be very close to what is on the top once we differentiate it. So du by dx will equal 6 minus 2x. So du will equal 6 minus 2x dx. It's not exactly the same, so all we need to do is divide it by 2. So 1/2 du will equal 3 minus x dx. And now we've got 3 minus x dx taken into consideration, and the 1 plus 6x minus x squared taken into consideration. So it's going to become du times 1/2, and then we've got the 1 over root u. So we've got the integral of du over 2 root u. Prepare that to integrate, so we get 1/2 u to the negative 1/2, because I've changed that to u to the 1/2 and then brought it up. And then just integrate as normal. Plus c. 1/2 divided by 1/2 will cancel out, so it's actually just u to the 1/2 plus c. And then u is 1 plus 6x minus x squared plus c. And that's integration by substitution.